Kiwico versus Lovevery versus Amazon fort kits. Kiwico just released their fort kit, and one of the first questions I had myself, as well as I've already gotten, is it compatible with Lovevery's fort kit? And the answer is sort of. The first thing to talk about here is their dowel diameter, circumference, whatever you want to say. I don't have the Lovevery dowels anymore. We had to get rid of them in one of our moves. I still have the connectors from it though. So the Kiwico wooden dowels are slightly, like a smidge bigger than Lovevery, but they are smaller than if you got the ones off of Amazon, which means that the Lovevery green connectors actually do work with the Kiwico dowels. However, their triangle corner connectors are too small. Now, one of the big complaints about Lovevery's fort kit is that these green rods, they're not the most sturdy when things are actually built. They would end up bending, and because their rods were thinner, they could actually fall apart. You actually don't have that issue when you use the Lovevery connectors with the Kiwico ones, because the Kiwico ones are thicker. It stays in nice and sturdy. In theory, yes, you can use the two kits together, but you would have to be very smart. Any of the corner pieces, you're using Kiwico connectors. One of the nice things about Lovevery's fort kit was how easy it was for kids to build themselves, really encouraging that independence. I find Kiwico's is just as easy. Amazon ones are definitely the hardest and the largest, but also the cheapest and the ugliest. And neither Kiwico or Lovevery are compatible with Amazon. As far as which is the best, I think it's hard to say. The appeal of Lovevery's is that it comes in a play kit with other items to promote emotional intelligence for kids, and their fort kit comes with material to turn it into a house or a puppet theater show. The Amazon one and Kiwico one do not come with any sort of material to do something like that. You'd have to use your own sheets or silks to create that experience. Kiwico wins though for the intersection of ease of build and stability. I feel like everyone should just move to Kiwico's width because they seem to have really nailed it. The other thing that Kiwico did that was really smart, they included a carrying bag, and I can easily tell from the design here that this is for the fort kit. Lovevery, part of the reason we had to get rid of all of our dowels in our move was we just had no way to easily store them, and I figured if and when the time came, I could always buy new rods at Home Depot, because FYI, in case you don't know, in the cut your own wood section of Home Depot, you go to the butt of an island, all the way at the bottom, there's like a little area where you can buy your own dowel rods. I have like every single diameter you could possibly want. So you would just bring your connectors into the store with you and fit until you find the right size.